Hello, I hope you are doing great. So, in the last video, I discussed in details about a very important using this find command. You can find any kind of directory or files in between some directory and subdirectory. But this find command will not work if you want to find some content or some string in between some of the files. To find some of the string in between files and directories, uh, I'll request you, please go and check out the video called Find, which is a very important to understand the today's video about about the grep. And if you like this video, please go and check out my YouTube channel on Dr. Physics Coder, and please feel free to subscribe. So now let's come back to the main topics of today's video, which is a grep, which is known as the global regular expression print. I am planning to make a separate video to discuss in details about regular expression, but in today's video, I am just want to show you the uses of this command called grep. Suppose in this directory, I had many files and many directory and subdirectory, and I want to find a word like login or like this or like this. And I don't know in which file and how many files, how many times this word used, because I want to change this word from login to sign in. So to do that, it's a big project, and I don't have time, or I'm very lazy to go check each and every file to search for the word. So what I can do, I can try to find in this directory using the grep command. I want to search a word, and the word is login. In this directory, let first do to search in all HTML file. I use this special wildcard asterisk, which helped me to find in all HTML file, which is basically a regular expression also. It's a part of the regular expression. Great. So see, I can use this command and I can find there are many files where the login word used, but you can see it only show the lowercase. But I also want to check uppercase. So I use this option with this I, because then it will make case insensitive. And let's do like this, and then see I can also find some word with capital letter. So now again, still I am bit lazy to go and check out each and every file or this HTML file to find this word. But I want to see what is there in which line number this word content. So to do that, what I can do in the previous extension, I can add n for the line number. So I can see in the login to HTML line number 67, this word login is there. Now I'm still lazy. So now I want to see what is there before and after this word. What is the line? What kind of content is there? So for that, you can use, let's first start with B. Before this word login, let's three lines before the word login. So if I do, like, it basically print at least 3 lines before the word login. The same thing you can do using the command after. So you can use A. So you can see 3 lines after the word, the word you are trying to find. Great. Now suppose you are very intelligent and you don't want to see before or after. So if you want to do, you can use C to see all the content. Then you can see, you can find, okay, I found one word login. Okay, this is the content. There's some span and there's some. Okay, so the word is exited. Great. So this you can use. Now, sometimes you want to find this word everywhere in this directory, all subdirectory. How you can find this? Okay. So let's the one thing you can do just doing like this way, right? I don't want to print the content, then it will be very long. Okay, you can do like this way, right? So you can search all directory. Let's see what will be happen. It said this dot is a directory, so it is this grep cannot go into the directory, but you can add one more option called r, and if you do like this, then it will trying to find all possible position where this login use in between directory, subdirectory, and everywhere. It's also it's print. Now suppose I don't want to print, I just only want to see how many places, how many times this word. And just for simplification, I can use not everywhere, but on this directory only in HTML files. Okay, so you can see in this HTML file, this word login is found 3 times. So that's great. That's one of the very helpful comment which you can use to find some of the word or string everywhere in all directory. Now let's try to see more uses of this grep command. Now suppose if I do search my history, I can use this command grep to make some filtration. Let first do I search the history, then I use a command called basically doing the tunneling, which is known as pipe, and then I'll use this grep command. I'll search something. Is there anything with history in touch? Because I use this command many times to create some file or directory. There are many places I use this touch command. Now I can do more filtration. I can say, okay, fine, you find something touch, and now let's try to find in how many times I use this touch command to create some C++ file. Okay, and then okay, just for X, I use the CPP extension to create the CPP file or C++ file. Let's try to find. Said no places. Really? Okay, I make a mistake. Uh, this should be like this. Okay, so in many places, I use this command touch to create the C++ file. So see, this is the way how you can work more efficiently and more faster than just to go through some of the big files, many files sometimes in long project. So you can just simply use grep and you can show, I know the magic, how you can find something, some string very quickly. So in one of the next videos, I with this grep and regular expression. So till then, please feel free to subscribe this channel, and that will be really helpful for me because I am doing this just for fun, and your support is really extraordinary. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.